Hey, how everybody doing today? Yeah, I done stopped and got me something to eat because shoot. I want to buy some groceries. I'm finna go buy some groceries. And I want to get me something to eat before I go because I am starving. When I say I'm starving, I'm starving. And they don't messed up my order and gave me 2 fries. No, I'm not finna eat no 2 fries. But I am finna tear this burger up. So, that's too many onions. Yeah. Got this double cheeseburger. I'm finna tear it up. Let me see, I gotta put some ketchup on this real quick. It look like it needs some, y'all. Yeah, it look like it needs some. Okay. Good breath. My fries fresh too. Usually they don't come like that. Every now and then. But this place I'm eating at, it's something like Wendy. They like an old store here. Restaurant. Yeah, it is raining. It's pouring down. I got a root beer. I ain't gonna drink all this. I told her to give me extra ice. This is good. Hell yeah, my blood pressure, it was high when I went to the doctor today. I went to dialysis today, and then it went down. But I realized why it be high. Because before I went to dialysis, I took a BC. I really think them BCs be making my blood pressure high like that. You see, I had stopped taking them when I was in the hospital, so I didn't take them. I ain't taking them for a while after I got to the hospital, but I started back taking them BCs not too long ago. Because I think I'm like on my 2nd pack, and it seemed like since then my blood pressure been high. Since then. So, I've been writing it down, monitor, writing it down. Then I gotta take it, like when I'm doing it at home, like tomorrow when I don't have to go. I gotta monitor it all day. I'm not gonna take no BC, and we'll see where it goes from there. It's good. I'm about to eat all this burger because I want to eat it all. It's been raining all day. So I don't know what I'm cooking kids tonight. I ate hamburgers last night. We might eat hamburgers again tonight because I wanted to make that Dorito casserole thing. But they don't want that. So I'm not even gonna bother. Not even go. And then I really don't want to be in the kitchen just too long. I want to let's take it easy today. Hopefully I can start on Jada hair. School start back Monday. School start back Monday, y'all. Then I gotta take Seth back. Seth gotta go back on 10th. I don't know if I'm gonna take him though. He gotta go back. That's on a Sunday. I mean, if the 10th on, it can't be on no Sunday. School start back on a Monday. What was Monday? Monday was the first one. No. Monday was the first. So, school start back on the 8th, I guess. I don't know. Still gonna make that the 10th, though. I don't know. It got too hot up in here. It's so good. I ain't gonna be able to eat no another fry though. I'll take it home. Just glad when I get this blood pressure situated. I don't like the way it make me feel. It make my head hurt. I can just feel it. So today I have to come home and take my meds. Got my blood pressure was still high. It was 190 something over 100. So I'm gonna check it again when I get home. See how it went down. I know it done went down because I can feel it. You know, my head ain't hurting, but your head don't have to hurt all the time for your blood pressure to be high either. That's why they be saying, you know, it's like a silent killer. So ain't gotta be high. What happened? I'm just messing up. I gotta go to the grocery store today. Them kids done drunk up everything. And I got ate up everything. And I feel like it's the summertime. I really do. I'm gonna be at home. Take this to Jada. Yeah, I just want to come out and chit chat with y'all. Oh, you're gonna catch up out of this, huh? I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next video.